Hello everyone, I want to show you how to upload each of these items in 5-color version into Uniform Library into ABC tool. All of the catalogs are here in on the server, graphics, Big Kahuna. Then there are, for example, wrestling, football, lacrosse, and all the rest, okay? Each sport that you are going to do should have a folder, like the volleyball that I did for an example. Then inside the volleyball, you should have the catalog and then the Corel file that you created out of that catalog. Here is the Corel file that I made from that catalog, the PDF file. Now each of these items should be uploaded in ABC tool Uniform Library as 5-color version like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that. In the folder of that sport, you need to create another folder as 5-color version. Inside that, you need to have a Corel file for each item and the PNG file. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to tell you how to do this. You need to select the item that you want to upload. Okay, just copy that. So it says the item number here. Just copy and paste in here. One note, we won't do any neck like this. All of them should be solid colors. So the first thing is we change the color to 1. Okay, so since now on we need this. Now this can be considered as one of them because it has light color and then dark color. Okay, in another, we need to replace the dark one with light and light one with dark. And these are the palette that you should use. Dark product, light product, nothing else, or white, black, and gray. So for now, I want to change it to, for example, gray. Okay, so you just need to go to Edit, Find and Replace. Next, I want to change the light to white. Then replace all. Okay, but as you can see, this is not a good one. So we change it to light and the outline with the dark. Light, outline with the dark. Okay, also we can change the light one, which was here, the white, which was here, to light color. So let's try again. If we select this and change it to light, let's see what will happen. So we will have this one. Okay, so this is our light version, the white version of this. Okay, so we have this and we have this as another option. Now I will change the white one to the gray one. So just edit it and just replace the white that we have here to gray, which is 30% black. Finish and replace all. So the gray one is ready too. So just Control C, Control V here. Okay, so till now we have 3 of them. Next one, I need to change the body to black. Okay, so I just need to edit the gray one to black. But remember, all of the palette should be just RGB, nothing else. Okay, but if you look at here, we cannot have dark outline, so we will change it. Inside should be dark, the outside and the outline should be light. Okay, also we need any part that is connected to the black should be the light color. So we need to do one extra step. I can change all of the dark ones to another color, any. Okay, I replaced. Now I change all of the light ones to dark product, and now all of that color that we just selected to light. Okay, just we need to fix this. So this would be our black. And we'll put it here. Okay, now we need this. Now we need to change again light and dark with each other. So the same as the one that we did, we just replace, for example, one of the colors, the dark one, with another color. Now we change the light one to dark. Now we return back this to a light. Okay, so easily we produced all of the 5 colors so fast. We just need to save it as the style number and then 5 color version. Just wait a minute. Oh, I already did this one before, but that's fine. So we save it as this. As, for example, the style dash 5 color version. Okay, and then Control E, save it as JPEG with the same name. Then here change it to pixel and the width should be 1080. Okay, so we are done. It took only 5 minutes to prepare this file. Now you need to upload it here. Okay, so just add new. The style should be the style that you had. this file, because of the supplier, we put just Big Kahuna for now to know that this was from one of the suppliers. Then we just select this as the JPEG file, then Coral file. Here it's Sublimation, Jersey, and it was for volleyball. Here we need to put all of the keywords as much as you can. Big Kahuna, Kahuna, 5-color, volleyball, sublimation, black, white, gray, dark and light, and then we copy, paste, add. If we search again, for example, Kahuna, it's added here. Then again, you go in, we should put this into the keyword as well. 3898. 3898. Then save changes. Okay, so in this case you uploaded a new 5-color version of one of the styles. So you just go to the catalog, select your item and make 5-color version, which would be white, gray, black, dark color and light color, and then upload it in ABC tool. And all your files are supposed to be on the server in graphics, Big Kahuna, then the sports, and then 5-color version. Good luck and thanks for watching.